Maddern Financial Advisers is a boutique firm. We have a strong, intimate relationship with our clients. It allows us to have a tailored, customised and a bespoke approach in the way in which we give our advice. There is no cookie-cutter approach. There is no one-size-fits-all. We take a client, and because we are not connected with a banker and insurance company, we have no affiliation with them in terms of ownership. Therefore, we have no obligation to place a client in a particular product or service. We have the ability to stand back and we have the ability to provide independent advice to that client. It's one of the reasons, and we're most thankful, that clients keep coming to us. Maddern Financial Advisers is one of Victoria's best firms. We are an independently owned firm. 80% of all financial advisory firms within Australia are owned by banks and insurance companies. We think this is a conflicted position. We want no association with a banker and insurance company in terms of them owning any part of our business. We do not accept any commissions from banks and insurance companies. We do not accept any soft dollar tickets to the Grand Prix. We do not accept trips at the end of the year for good level of sales to St. Petersburg or Hawaii or Machu Picchu or any of these sorts of locations. We get paid by the client. Most of the time it's a tax deduction for the client, but we are there purely and simply for the client. Maddern Financial Advisers has a seamless approach to client management. We have in the one room, at the one table, we have a chartered accountant, your tax agent, we have your investment advisor, your financial planner, and we have your banker, your mortgage broker. Are there alternatives? Yes, there are. You could, for example, have an investment person in one suburb and an accountant in another suburb. What's the consequence of that? Different firms, different orientations, different philosophies. Who may lose from that? Potentially you. At Maddern Financial Advisers, we looked at that model. We decided against that model. We decided that we needed a seamless approach. This is a major plus to have these three trusted advisors all in one room, all at the one table, in front of a whiteboard, singularly focused on you and your welfare. We have a number of centres of excellence within the firm, but if I may just choose one for a moment, it would be self-managed super funds. The growth of self-managed super funds have been exponential over time. The laws relating to self-managed super funds are increasingly complex, and any person undertaking a self-managed super fund needs an accountant to set it up and needs good solid investment advice as part of the strategy. This is our number one centre of excellence. Why would you come to Maddern Financial Advisers? We think for a number of reasons. Certainty, standards, independent advice, and most importantly, above all, a safe, solid pair of hands.